Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing an incredibly delicious and nutritious food item, peanut butter. Did you know that incorporating peanut butter into your daily diet can offer numerous health benefits? That's right. So, let's dive into the 7 amazing benefits of eating peanut butter every day. 1. Excellent source of healthy fats. Peanut butter is rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, also known as good fats. These fats help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and promote cardiovascular health. By consuming peanut butter regularly, you're providing your body with a natural source of healthy fats. 2. Nutrient powerhouse. Peanut butter is a true nutrient powerhouse. It contains essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B6. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting your overall health, immune system, and even maintaining strong bones. 3. Promotes weight management. Contrary to popular belief, peanut butter can actually aid in weight management when consumed in moderation. The healthy fats and high protein content in peanut butter help you feel full and satisfied for longer, reducing cravings and overeating. 4. Boosts energy levels. Need an energy boost? Peanut butter is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and proteins, all of which provide a steady release of energy throughout the day. A spoonful of peanut butter can be a quick and easy way to fuel your body. 5. Supports muscle recovery and growth. If you're into fitness or looking to build muscle, peanut butter can be a fantastic addition to your diet. It contains a good amount of protein, which is essential for muscle recovery and growth. Including peanut butter in your post-workout meals can help repair and build your muscles effectively. 6. Aids in digestion. Peanut butter is packed with dietary fiber, which promotes a healthy digestive system. Fiber aids in proper digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes regular bowel movements. So, including peanut butter in your diet can contribute to a healthy gut. 7. Rich in antioxidants. Last but not least, peanut butter contains powerful antioxidants such as vitamin E and resveratrol. These antioxidants help protect your body from oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support overall cellular health. Peanut butter truly deserves its place in a healthy eating plan. Just remember to opt for natural peanut butter without added sugars or hydrogenated oils. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.